is Lori, and welcome to a small part of my life. So I do travel videos, unboxings, subscriptions, and also reviews. So I do things a little bit different. So my channel, I want to show you how I do things as a visually impaired person. So I am legally blind and have been that way all of my life. And sometimes I have to do things just a little bit different. So if you like unboxings and travel videos, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button for the video. I appreciate it. So today I am going to do a subscription box called Bolzano Handbags. I have done this for several months so far, and it is $33.95 a month, and you get a different purse every month, and you get accessories such as jewelry. So they have a luxe box, I think that is $43.95. That also includes beauty, but I don't do that one yet. I'm just doing the handbags and the accessories, and I've been happy and pleased ever since I started doing it. So today I'm going to show you my December handbag that came in. I have not looked at the handbag yet. So the handbag will come in a duster bag every time. It has a little tie up top where you can untie it and then you can store it in your duster bag. So I'll get this open. Okay. Oh, how pretty. Okay. So here is my bag. My bag is a backpack. I love backpacks. I travel a lot, I cruise a lot, I fly a lot. So backpacks are ideal for traveling for me. So this looks like it's, let's see, looks like it's black. It has a zipper in the front here. Kind of show you a little bit. So it has a big compartment in the front where you can probably put your phone, keys, anything like that in there. Then on the back, it has like a clutch handle if you want to just carry it by the handle. Or it also has the backpack strips in the back. So let me see if I can get these open so you can look at it. Okay, yeah. You see the straps for the backpack, so you can wear it tight or wear it loose. Let's see what I got down here. Oh, there's also a pocket in the back, a little zipper pocket in the back. Okay, and then the main compartment. So I have a zipper in the back, I have a zipper in the front, which is a bigger compartment. And then we have, take that out, the big compartment in the middle. So that is really cute. Oh, inside, here, I'll throw that to the side. There's also a strap so that you must be able to wear this on your shoulder. Let me look. Oh yeah, so you can take this bag and you can hook into the little side hooks here. There's one on each side, and you can hook and just wear it as just a regular bag. So I really like that. Like I said, I travel a lot, and backpacks are great for airlines, cruises, traveling, because you're always carrying a backpack when you get on a cruise ship and when you go to ports and when you get off. So this is my December bag. Also, mine came with 3 pieces of jewelry. So I've taken them out just to be able to show you. So here is the bracelet. Let me see if I can put this around so that you can see it. It's very, very sparkly. This would actually be really cute on a formal night on a cruise. So that's what I'm looking at. It's really pretty. Let's see if you can see that better. Yeah? Okay. The next item in here is a necklace, and that also is very pretty. You can see has like a little chain part, and then it has a little crystal at the bottom. So that is really pretty. I'll come in a little closer so you can see. Very nice, very pretty. And also there are earrings in here. So see if you can see those. I'll move in a little closer. Those are really pretty. Please don't mind my nails. I bite my nails. I don't do my nails. I know, bad habit. So those are pretty too. So in my Bolzano December bag, I received earrings, a necklace, a bracelet, and a backpack. I love the backpack. I just love it. It's gonna come in very, very handy. So that was $33.95 per month. You can also go do 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, a year at a time. I think it gets cheaper as you do more months at a time. And then you can also do the Luxe, which is $43.95, which includes beauty items. And I have seen some of the ladies out there doing those. As of right now, I'm just starting off with the bags and the accessories. So I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope that you come back. I hope that you subscribe and hit the little bell so that you'll know when I put out new content. And I just wanted to say hey, so have a great day. Bye.